Hello, doctor. I have a question for you. How much do you spend in the beauty salon every year? Hello, my friend. Okay, so it depends on the location of the beauty salon and also the specific treatment that you want to do. Because in the United States, the facial treatment and also the body contouring treatment, there have the very big difference between them. Here's the general cost of the different treatment. So now let's start from the facial treatment. If you want to do the basic facial treatment, it usually will start on $50 every time, like even more, okay? And also when you want to do some like the advanced treatment, like the chemical peels or the microdermabrasion, it will cost you around like $200. For the body contouring, for example, like the cool sculpting treatment, just use the fat freezing machine to help you to freeze away those fat cells. It will cost you like several thousand per time. And also for the EMS sculpt, for that one, just using the electronic magnetic technology to help you to tone your muscles, to strengthen your muscle. For that one, it will cost you like around several hundreds per time. Could you please introduce me some products or some treatment that I can do in here? Have you ever thought about to purchase this kind of machine? Because it really will help you save a lot of money. I just did the math. The best things for you is you just directly purchase all of this machine back home and then you can do all of the treatments at home. It's really high cost effective. If you have any interest, just directly click this link, okay? It's called mytrade.online. They are so professional and they have a lot of different machines that you can choose. Just visit here.